Hey, Bronco Maniacs, Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco, and yes, it's been a long time since I posted anything. Been busy, but still got the Bronco going and all that good stuff. And why are we looking at doors? Well, the wife has said, "Hey, it's hot and humid in Florida during the summer. I want air conditioning," which we have stainless steel hoses in that box. We already have the compressor in, so we've got some work to do over there. That's a separate video, but this one is we're starting on the doors, and these are my original doors. Never been touched since I bought it in '92. So we're going to do a complete refurb. I think the only thing we're keeping is the door skin and this latch. That's it. Well, we're going to keep the frame. We have new felt liners. We have just ordered new vent windows. The ones I've got are just so rock hard, can't get them to seal. And of course, some of the structural bracing, but we're going to go with power motorized window mechanisms, and we have all new hardware. We're going to make our own door panels. I have to stain the diamond plate ones, but I'm going to cover them with leather. So we'll see how that turns out. I've already torn apart the passenger door. I have the aluminum skin for it, so I'm gonna use my rattle can of my body color, paint that whole piece there. This was my rustiest piece, was my window area. Put some OSFO on that. But we have new mechanisms for locking, we have new door handles, we have new mirrors, we have new rubber stopper for the bottom. I think the only thing else I'm going to keep I still have my plastic armrests, and I'm trying to figure a way to get my armrests so I can 3D print those and I want to wrap them in leather as well. I kind of want to go upscale. So, here's my box of all my goodies that I'm going to be putting on it, like aluminum door cups and that kind of stuff. So this is a kind of a quick tour of where we're at. So how does the door skin itself look? It's really weird. It's like they didn't paint the bottom of the door. I've already done the OSFO treatment. That's why it's turned a black color. When you hit rust with OSFO, I don't know if that's going to show up or not, it turns black. So I had like a band of rust up here on the outer skin. Surprisingly, the bottom here is rusty, but on the inside, it's absolutely fine. So who knows, but the fact that my weep holes here are absolutely fine should give you an idea of how everything is overall. So I'm going to tape off, keep the original exterior paint, and going to just scuff sand the interior, tape it off, and then rattle can it so that way everything on the inside matches up and we're good to go. So that's the current plan. We're just letting the OSFO dry to keep our rust under control. I will be primering the inside. Will not be body color painting the interior. No one's going to see it, so that's just going to have to be good enough. But I don't know if you can see kind of all that black up in there. That's where it was all rusty in there, but primer, and you can see the lovely drips from the factory. That was had never been touched, but if you look in through the hole here, you can see it's still primer on the inside. So that's what we're going to be doing. I will update you all as this makes progress. Once the parts come in and the painting's done, I'll probably do an assembly video and put that together. But I just wanted to let everybody know I'm back in the game. All right, take care and God bless.